Hello, I'm Peter Loop, president of GF Health Products Incorporated. I want to thank our distribution teams all over the country and their customers for taking the time to learn more about Graham Field, what we do, and how our U.S. manufacturing capabilities help strengthen the supply chain for our partners. At Graham Field, our mission is simple: to enhance the quality of life for those who rely on our products every day. We're proud to be one of the healthcare industry's leading manufacturers of long-term care beds, stretchers, exam room furnishings, and durable medical equipment. And we're equally proud that we make so much of that right here in the USA. I'm sitting in Graham Field's 10,000 square foot showroom, where we welcome our customers who are remodeling or building new facilities. By bringing customers into our showroom to work with our accredited designers, we offer a one-stop shop for all their furniture, resident room, dining area, window treatment, and wall covering needs. Our experienced project managers then coordinate directly with customers and contractors to ensure seamless timing, delivery, and installation as projects move towards completion. We found this comprehensive approach delivers the best possible experience for our customers. Our commitment to domestic manufacturing is what truly sets us apart. Across our manufacturing facilities in Fond du Lac, Wisconsin, High Point, North Carolina, Atlanta, Georgia, and up in Rhode Island, at our distribution centers located all across the country, we design, engineer, and build products that are made to last, and made right here at home. This allows us to control quality, improve lead times, and keep jobs in our communities, all while giving customers and our distribution partners a consistent source for reliable, U.S.-made medical products. Let's start today with our long-term care beds, cornerstone of the Graham Field portfolio and a market leader for over 30 years. We engineer and manufacture a full range of beds designed specifically for nursing homes, rehabilitation centers, and home care environments. With durable steel frames, precision lift systems, and a variety of positioning options, our beds are built to stand up to daily use while maximizing patient comfort and caregiver safety. And with our recent acquisition of Transfer Master Products in Wisconsin, we've expanded our ability to produce high-quality, high-low adjustable beds right here in the USA, giving our partners even greater flexibility and supply chain reliability. Our Hosted line of stretchers and procedure chairs continues a legacy of quality and dependability that clinicians have trusted for decades. From surgical stretchers and transport chairs to specialized procedure tables, Hosted products are built for performance and fast-paced environments. Hospitals, outpatient surgeries, surgical suites, and ophthalmology surgery centers. Our industry-leading Hosted ESC2 eye surgery chair has become the industry norm and is considered the gold standard in eye surgery. We have an existing base of Hosted products not only across the United States, but all over the globe. The Hosted brand gives instant credibility in hospitals and surgery centers domestically and abroad. Each unit is engineered for easy maneuverability, speed, patient comfort, and long-term durability, all backed by our responsive service team our partners expect from Graham Field. We also produce a wide range of exam room furnishings, including tables, stools, phlebotomy chairs, and cabinetry, manufactured all at our High Point, North Carolina facility. And beyond that, our durable medical equipment lineup includes our trusted Lumex mobility aids, Everest Jennings wheelchairs, Lumex patient lifts, and Graham Field overbed tables, and more. These products serve both facility and home care markets and rely on traditional innovation, safety, and value. The Graham Field line of durable medical equipment has been in the market for over 50 years and is trusted all over the globe. For partners, working with Graham Field means several key advantages. First, quality you can count on. Every product we built is built to meet the highest standards of performance and safety. We are not a huge company, so we take the time to build, test, and put through the rigors everything so your customers don't have any negative feedback. Two, dependable U.S. manufacturing. Our domestic plants ensure shorter lead times and greater supply chain stability. Made right here in the USA, it takes away all the risk of offshore shipment delays and, in this current climate, tariffs. Third, breadth of portfolio. From long-term care to acute care to home care, we offer complete solutions under one trusted brand, Graham Field. Last, in-field sales support. Let us help you close those deals. Let us help you fix things when they go wrong. We have dedicated territory sales professionals in all 50 states, a robust inside sales team, all here built to help go out and close more business. At Graham Field, we're proud to serve as a reliable, responsive partner helping you deliver exceptional products and services to the facilities and caregivers who depend on you. Thank you for your partnership, and thank you for supporting American manufacturing. Together, we're building quality, reliability, and care right here in the USA.